Have you ever wondered how some people seem to manifest their desires effortlessly? Our universe is a vast, interconnected tapestry, and we each hold the power to shape our own threads. One of the most potent tools we possess to do this is the art of affirmation. Affirmations are more than mere words. They are potent declarations that shape our reality and mold our destiny. When we affirm something, we are not merely speaking it, we're invoking it, aligning ourselves with it, and summoning its power into our lives. Consider the influential figures who've harnessed the power of affirmations. Neville Goddard, a pioneer of the New Thought movement, is a prime example. He believed in the transformative power of imagination and affirmed that we could manifest our desires by embodying them in our consciousness. Goddard's affirmation was not just a verbal chant, it was a lived experience, a conscious choice to align with a desired reality. Now let's delve into the affirmation under our spotlight today. I now declare that everything is happening for my highest good. All that I want is coming to me faster than I can imagine. I choose to trust and surrender to this divine process. This affirmation is a powerful mantra, a beacon of trust and surrender. It is a conscious choice to believe that the universe is conspiring for our benefit, that our desires are within our reach, and that we are active participants in this divine process. It resonates with the energy of abundance, trust, and surrender, which are key elements in the manifestation process. So, why is this affirmation so potent? It's because it taps into the core principles of manifestation. It affirms trust in the process, acknowledges the divine timing, and emphasizes that our desires are not just wishes but realities waiting to unfold. It's a conscious alignment with the universe's rhythm, a dance of co-creation where we lead with our desires and the universe follows our lead. So, what makes the affirmation, I now declare that everything is happening for my highest good? All that I want is coming to me faster than I can imagine. I choose to trust and surrender to this divine process. So powerful? Let's dissect this affirmation and understand its components. This affirmation is a potent cocktail of three vital ingredients: declaration, desire, and surrender. Each of these elements synergistically enhances the power of the affirmation, making it a powerful magnet for all that you wish to attract. First, we have the declaration. I now declare that everything is happening for my highest good. This is a statement of intent, a proclamation to the universe that you believe in the benevolence of life and its happenings. It's about acknowledging that even the most challenging situations are stepping stones leading you towards your highest good. This declaration is about adopting an optimistic perspective, recognizing the silver linings, and trusting life's process. Next, we have the desire. All that I want is coming to me faster than I can imagine. This is where you clarify your wants and desires, painting a vivid picture of what you wish to manifest. It's about embracing the belief that your desires are already on their way to you, at a speed far beyond your comprehension. This part of the affirmation acts as a catalyst, speeding up the manifestation process. Finally, we have surrender. I choose to trust and surrender to this divine process. Surrender is about letting go, releasing the need to control every aspect of the manifestation process. It's about trusting the universe, believing that it knows the best route to deliver your desires. Surrender is not about giving up, it's about accepting that there are forces much larger than us at work, orchestrating events in our favor. So we see that each part of this affirmation plays a vital role in manifesting our desires. The declaration sets the tone, the desire fuels the process, and surrender ensures a smooth journey. It's like a three-course meal, each course complementing the other, creating a satiating and fulfilling experience. But how do we implement it? Stay tuned to find out how you can harness the power of this affirmation to manifest your deepest desires. Knowing the affirmation is one thing, but how do we actually use it? Here's where the magic happens, folks. The implementation of the affirmation is where we start to see the shift, the transformation we're all seeking. It's not enough to just know it, we need to live it, breathe it, and truly believe it. Let's start with the first technique. Daily repetition. Think about it as you would in creating a new habit. It's not a one-time thing, but a consistent effort. Repeat this affirmation first thing in the morning when you wake up, and last thing at night before you sleep. Let these words become the bookends of your day, creating a strong foundation for your subconscious mind to build upon. Now, let's talk about visualization. Visualization is the act of creating vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. When you say the affirmation, don't just recite it, visualize it. See yourself living the life you want, feel the emotions that come with it. This helps to create a stronger connection between your conscious and subconscious mind, making your affirmation more potent. Next, we have emotional alignment. This is where the heart comes in. Affirmations are not just about the mind, but also about the heart. When you say the affirmation, feel the truth of it in your heart. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude. It's these emotions that will fuel your affirmation and make it even more powerful. Lastly, we have belief. This is the cornerstone of any affirmation. Without belief, the affirmation is just a string of words. But with belief, it becomes a powerful mantra that can transform your life. Believe that everything is happening for your highest good. Believe that all you want is coming to you faster than you can imagine. Believe in the divine process. As we can see, implementing this affirmation is a process that requires consistency and belief. But what if we have doubts? Scene script. Skepticism is natural when embarking on a new journey. Let's address some common doubts. You might be thinking, can just saying a sentence really change my life? Well, affirmations are not magic spells, but rather tools for rewiring your mind. They work on the principle of repetition, which is a powerful method to change subconscious patterns. By repeating a positive statement, you're training your mind to focus more on the positive aspects of life, which in turn manifest as a positive reality. Another common concern is, what if I don't believe in the affirmation? That's okay. The key is consistency. With time, you'll start to believe in the affirmation. It's like learning a new language. At first, it might feel unnatural, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Some might ask, why should I trust this process? Well, it's not about blind faith, it's about understanding the science behind it. Numerous studies show the impact of positive self-talk on our mental and physical health. Neville Goddard, a renowned spiritual teacher, used affirmations to transform his life and the lives of many others. So you're not alone in this journey. A common fear is that I might jinx it. Remember, affirmations are not about tempting fate, but about aligning with the universe's positive energy. You're not jinxing anything, but rather, you're opening yourself up to the universe's abundance. And finally, what if it doesn't work for me? Understand that each person's journey is unique. The timeline might vary, but the process works. Be patient with yourself. Trust the process and remember it's not a race, but a journey of self-discovery and growth. In the face of skepticism and doubt, remember that affirmations are a tool to empower you. They're about changing your mindset, not about changing the world. It's okay to have doubts, but don't let them stop you from trying. Remember, doubts and fears are natural, but they can be addressed with understanding and practice. Let's revisit the key points we've discussed today. We started our journey by diving into the transformative power of affirmations. We've seen how these simple yet powerful statements can rewire our thoughts, shape our beliefs, and ultimately lead us to the manifestation of our deepest desires. We then proceeded to dissect our chosen affirmation. I now declare that everything is happening for my highest good. All that I want is coming to me faster than I can imagine. I choose to trust and surrender to this divine process. We've learned how each segment of this affirmation serves a unique purpose. Everything is happening for my highest good reinforces the idea that even challenges and setbacks are part of our growth. All that I want is coming to me faster than I can imagine helps us to believe in the abundance of the universe. And I choose to trust and surrender to this divine process encourages us to let go of control and trust in the journey. Next, we explored various techniques to incorporate this affirmation into our daily lives. Whether it's through repetition, visualization, or writing it down, the key is consistency and belief. The more often we repeat this affirmation with conviction, the more it becomes ingrained in our subconscious and the more likely we are to manifest our desires. Finally, we addressed some of the doubts and skepticism that might arise. Yes, affirmations require a leap of faith, but they're backed by both ancient wisdom and modern psychology. We recalled how Neville Goddard, a pioneer of the New Thought movement, utilized affirmations to transform his own life and the lives of countless others. Incorporating this affirmation into your life can be a game changer. Remember, everything is happening for your highest good, and all that you want is coming to you faster than you can imagine. Trust and surrender to this divine process. Change your thoughts, change your life. It's as simple and as profound as that.